Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Today I'm going to share with you the most effective remedies for constipation. And the last two remedies are the panacea for this problem. But before that, let's understand the constipation, its causes and symptoms. Ayurveda says that over 95% of disease originate from our stomach. Initial symptoms of stomach ailments includes acidity, constipation and motion imbalance. Remedies for acidity were shared in my previous video. I am sharing the link in description. Here we will discuss about the constipation, its causes and remedies. Constipation occurs whenever bowel movement become less frequent and stools become difficult to pass. This is the most common gastrointestinal problem. This reduces our energy level and spoils our mood. Constipation is not a disease. This is an indication that something wrong is happening in our body. But now, not anymore. Actually, you target the cause of constipation instead of just curing it. Once we nip this evil in the bud and cure constipation from its root, it's never gonna come back. Symptoms of constipation are like feeling bloated, less than 3 bowel movement a week, difficult and painful bowel movements. Causes of constipation includes anxiety, depression, not drinking enough liquids, not eating enough fiber like fruits, vegetables, cereals and salad, not doing enough exercise, and it may include side effects of certain medicines. Medicines will not cure it, it will only manage it. And I'm gonna share with you a clear roadmap as to how you can root out this problem from its very root causes. Ayurveda says that it can be permanently cured with some simple steps. And that's what the video is all about. So, are you up for it? Then stay tuned. First thing we need to do is to improve our basic lifestyle. Upon waking up, we should drink warm copper charged water. Copper charged water refers to water that has been stored in a copper container for 8 hours or more, which allows water to get infused with minerals. There is nothing like water to quench our thirst. It keeps us well hydrated if we keep up with intake of water on a regular basis. We should drink at least 8 glasses of water every day. Drinking water in a standing position can cause heartburn or ulcers because impurities which are supposed to go out get deposited in kidneys and the bladder in standing position. According to Ayurveda, our bodies are designed in a way that when we sit down and drink water, it can get maximum benefits. Avoid drinking chilled water. Instead, you should always drink warm water throughout the day because chilled water has a serious implication on our digestion. It contracts our blood vessels and also restricts digestion. Exercise your body for at least half an hour every day. It can include running, jogging, cycling, dancing, swimming, brisk walking. Intake of high fibrous foods like fresh fruits and vegetables. Try to have dinner before 7. Now, one of the most important point, eating slowly food and chewing it thoroughly. Some fruits are boon for constipation like guava, apple early morning empty stomach and pears. Keep yourself away from refined flour breads, packed food that sticks in your intestine. Some dried fruits acts as constipation relief such as apricots, raisins, dates, figs and especially prunes which are rich source of dietary fiber. Prunes also contain sorbitol which is natural laxative. Sitting posture in the washroom should be like Since ages to relieve constipation, psyllium husk or isbegol is very effective. Soak 1 tablespoon of husk in 1 glass of water, cover it for 30 minutes, stir it and then drink. For best results, have it twice a day. Last but not the least, the most effective remedy for constipation, you can say the panacea for constipation, that is cow urine or castor oil. taking cow urine regularly on daily basis, 2 to 4 spoon with warm water empty stomach can cure constipation 100%. And taking 2 spoons of castor oil will show you amazing results within 2 to 6 hours. It works very quickly, but castor oil should not be taken in long term. It is helpful if taken occasionally. That's all from my side. If you seriously follow these steps, the problem of constipation will be history for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please share it, spread the knowledge, and I will be back with some another useful video. My name is Jyoti. I am signing off. You take care of yourself. Bye.